All right, we're going to look at how we can use our Desmos graphing calculator to do some of our statistical calculations that we're going to do. So similar to a graphing calculator, you can call upon lots of statistical features using the Desmos website. So if I open up my keyboard, sometimes it'll be minimized like this. You can just maximize it. We want to go ahead and hit functions. And then you'll see down here under statistics, these are all different types of statistical values you might want to calculate. Mean, median, those are very, very common ones. So I'll just pick mean. Mean is like the average, where you would add them up and divide by a total number. So the way we do it is we have our mean, and then we just have to list what our data is. So I can just put my data in the parentheses, separated by commas. So however many data pieces you have. So with the mean of these data pieces is 9.33333. The nice thing is if I want to do something with this same data set, I can copy it and paste it down here, and then maybe I want to change this to median. Now we've been selecting them from here. Just select median, and then you can delete that. You can also just type the word median, and that works too. So the median is 6.5. So any of these single lists of data, you can just put in just like this. Now if you have two variables, so let's say we have two variables we're trying to compare to one another. So these are just one variable, one set of data, one set of data. If you have two, we'll go ahead and add a table, and you actually put your data into this table as match pairs. So if I put this data in here, you'll notice it also puts some dots over here on our graph, and we'll talk more about that when we get into it. But now that I have these two lists, we call these lists X1 and Y1. You can change them to different letters if you want A and B or something like that. You can change these to be whatever you want. And so now if you're doing a two-variable statistic, you go down here to your functions. An example of a two-variable statistic would be a correlation. So if I go to correlation, which is CORR, the way we do this is we do the two lists in parentheses. So you're saying the first list compared to the second list versus just typing all the data in there. And that will give you your correlation between the two variables. So very helpful little website, very easy graphing calculator to use.